Lerato thank ntwana. Lerato uqeda ukusipha information ebalekile. Kaizer Chiefs coaches have just been fired. So Ben Khalil Youssef no Cedric Kaiser, they leaving Kaizer Chiefs. Mina ngayisho from when they took over from Unabi. Cishe ngathi Abdeslam Nabi. Yo Unabi bese ngimuphi credit. Yo cabanga igama la kaNabi seku Abdeslam. Angajabula kube we treble winner naye la khona. But anyways, these guys bafike ku Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho into abayenzile ku Chiefs. Ayikho into abayenzile ku Chiefs. Ayikho into abayishintshile ku Chiefs. The fixtures favored Kaizer Chiefs from the start of the season towards the end of the season. Mid-season athi ama fixture we Chiefs nawo abamanzima. Yila sabona khona ukuthi no mara bafethu aba improveanga ngale ndlela esicanga ukuthi ba improve ngayo. It's just that at the start of the season ama fixture awafavile. Kunalabo bafethu they played Makesu back to back. What were you expecting? From playing Makesu to playing Orbit College, from playing Orbit College to playing TS Galaxy they just lost 16 to Orlando Pirates. They came from a losing streak at 10 games labantu laba. So vele they were supposed to be beaten. So I did say with Lamachita laba they didn't improve the situation with Chiefs. But because a lot of supporters bona masikhuluma izinto or the into abashesha ukuyenza bafuna ukuhater, bafuna ukucomplain, bafuna ukukhuluma izinto abangazazi. Lamachita lawa awachanganga situation ku Kaizer Chiefs. We just hope Kaizer Chiefs next they'll go and employ coaches that can come and change the situation, and Kaizer Chiefs coaches that management will allow to have full control ukuthi bahambe bona bayosignela ama player abawafunayo. I hope next season Kaizer Chiefs will never ever sign a player that's out of their contract. I hope njengoba saku pre-season manje Chiefs ingasayina ama player that are out of their contracts. Mabahambe bafethu and compete against Sundowns and Pirates in signing players. Go into the transfer market bafethu. Spend money. Spend animali. The philosophy that worked during the days zabo Skarango bese, zabo Tsikitsiki Moki, zabo Chabupule, take it and apply it now. Bakhona ama player that can give you what those players gave you. Nihambile na sign abo Yael Tsulunyane, nihambile na sign abo Spio Shabalala, nihambile na sign players that came and had an impact. George Maluleka was a player that was hunted bamsaina. So now all Chiefs needs to do is go into a transfer market iyosayina actual players bangasayina abantu abareleasiwe bangasayina abantu abaphelelwa ama contract because babonile abantu abaphelelwa ama contract ukuthi abayenzanga next ku Chiefs. Gaston Serino is a perfect example. Ayikinto ayenzile ku Chiefs lamjida la ufike nje wazidlela isalary kama billiard another free transfer ayikinto ayenzile lapha ku Chido ubani uCastro free transfer ayikho into ayenzile lapha ku Chiefs. So we must stop this thing yokuthatha abantu sithi alo akasana contract bekashisa kuMamelodi Sundowns bese sesamthatha simfaka ku Chiefs and expect this person to perform. Uhlulekile le. What makes you think ukuthi la ku Chiefs la kune support system enkulu la kuna 50-60,000 fans watching week in week out ungitshela ukuthi lo muntu lona uzoperform? Izinto enikhuluma ngazo nani manhlele emakhoneni. And I'm so happy Kaizer Chiefs finally decided to fire these coaches. I just hope ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izohamba iyosayina ama player ekukuthi alright and a coach that can turn around the situation lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. It's not that I'm talking negative things, guys. Ezinye izinto bafethu abantu abasaba ukukhuluma ngazo. Izinto abantu abasaba ukuzimenshina. The problem is that South Africa simoshwe ile nto yokuthi ama analysts wethu bayahlala and they want to talk positive even though negative is dominating. Lamachita lawa ayikho into abayenzile ku Chiefs. They didn't change the situation ku Chiefs. Bafika ku better, kwaqhubeka kwabeta. The only thing that was different this season ku Kaizer Chiefs, as I'm saying, ama fixture. Ama fixture ifavile Chiefs bafethu. Fixtures faved. Ama fixture bafavile Kaizer Chiefs. Abo Castillo, abo Castro, abo Serino, abo Kama Billiard, abo Keegan Dolly. All of these players that Kaizer Chiefs went and spent money. Baba leta, ababasayinanga abaloke babaphi imali eningi. Bayenzeni? What did they do for Chiefs? Okay, why is Keegan Dolly not there now? If ikhona into ayenzile. Why is Serino not getting game time if ikhona into akayenzile? Why uCastro angasekho if ikhona into akayenzile? I don't know what the chances of Kaizer Chiefs signing a coach like Rulani Mokwena or Pitso Mosimane are. But mina, because we all know and sikhule sibhekelela Chiefs that has been successful under the leadership and management of European coaches babe successful kakhulu in that regard. Mara ibhola lichangile bafethu. We're at a point now in South Africa where local coaches seem to understand our players and our football better than these European coaches. Yabo? I'll make you an example. When was the last time a European coach won the league? PSL. It's been local coaches the past 8 seasons. Nale Miguel Cardoso ayithathe last season ngibala as eyaka Manqoba Mngqithi because he took over from Manqoba Mngqithi, right? So mina, all I can say is that when was the last time the PSL was ever won by a European coach? When was the last time a South African team, except Orlando Pirates, went and performed well in the African continent under the leadership of a foreign coach? Last time Stelis Maizofika ku final CAF Confed Bebapeto Steve Barker, South African coach. Mamelodi Sundowns naba win league, it was Rulani Mukwena. Prior to him bekwabo Pitso Musimani, abo Manqoba Mngqithi, Steve Kompela. It's been local coaches. So mina, I think for me personally, Kaizer Chiefs would do well under the leadership of a local coach. Maybe someone like a Pitso Musimani, provided bazomupa with the full rights to control the club and good times is into ngendlela yena understand ukuthi izenziwa ngayo, or maybe sorry bafethu, or maybe Rulani Mukwena. Rulani Mukwena is another name mina that I would suggest for a Chiefs as you coach abo. Urulani Mukwena bafethu sharp uyahamba ayocoacha elokunjaneni, uyahamba ayocoacha kulamanye ama country, but he's not doing well. It's because Rulani Mukwena is a local coach. Umuntu okumele ukuthi focus on local football. So I think bafethu they must give Urulani Mukwena a chance, or they must give Pitso Musimani a chance, or they can also give Jesus Christ. They can also give Manqoba Mngqithi a chance. Athi ngikhulume nani ke bafethu.